with Sean, and I just have one question. How many of y'all have an air fryer and don't use it? We're just taking a simple salmon and we're going to make it a bang bang salmon. So you all, I don't know if you've seen the episode where I make a bang bang shrimp, but today we're going to do a bang bang salmon in the air fryer. And man, as long as you have all your ingredients, it shouldn't take more than 15 minutes, hopefully. So let's get started. You can just top it on the salad. And then I have some spring onions that I've cut or diced up. So if you are familiar with the bang bang shrimp, this is a salmon version. So I hope you enjoy it. Until the next time, we'll see you with Cooking with Sharon. Thanks.
I'm going to show you real quick one of the benefits you get from recording your cooking show with 2 camera angles.
How you can make this a little bit different. We can make this into an Asian type of salmon, like with a miso, soy type, type of flavor profile. Oh, this is kind of spicy, I can tell. Take garlic. All right. Mix that. Stop. Okay. I don't have to. It's just that. Okay. Okay, so we have garlic, like I said, put a little bit more, and then smoked paprika in here.
Sharon obviously got choked up by the spices for a second, but since we used 2 cameras, it was easy to make that part disappear, as you'll see in the final edit.
How you can make this a little bit different. We can make this into an Asian type of salmon, like with a miso, soy type, type of flavor profile. Oh, this is kind of spicy, I can tell. Take garlic. All right. Mix that. And then smoked paprika in here. Coat that. And a little bit of pepper and salt.
Being able to show an overhead shot not only increases the production quality of your cooking show, but it also makes it easy to edit around any mistakes or mishaps so that nobody ever knows they happened. You may not have gotten started with your cooking show because you're trying to make everything perfect. What you need to understand is that the finished product that you see other people producing might look perfect, but it isn't. So if you're aiming for perfection, you're holding yourself up trying to create something that doesn't exist, because perfection does not exist in video production. You don't need to be perfect. All you have to do is get started. You can use your smartphone to create a cooking show that helps you grow your catering business or your private chef business or your restaurant or your food truck, but none of that is possible until you get started.